All right, now we're going to look at a different type of assignment. So when I post something that tells you to turn it in, okay? So I might say, complete this Google Doc and turn in when complete. For example, this type of assignment. It shows up, it's a Google Docs, it's assigned. I go to the doc. This just happens to be your wonderful sentences from yesterday. But this document will then become yours. See how my name is added to it? So say I wanted to add to this document because that was my instruction. So I add my sentence. I'm done my assignment. I did what the teacher told me to do. What you're going to do is you're not going to share it with me. This is too overwhelming. If you keep sharing it with me, I just get tons and tons of emails. So the important thing is, when I say turn it in, you then can press turn in. You verify that it's you. I'm going to verify it, turn in. This is for assignments when I ask you to turn it in. I will always be explicit with your instructions.